So we've got this lamb curry here. It really is delicious. We're going to go for a really simple method of cooking it. It's really, really good. Welcome back to How to Cook with. Okay, we're going to get this together in a really kind of quick, easy way. I've got some lamb in there. I've got 500 grams, which is about a pound. There's a bit of bone in there. There's some nice meat, a little bit of fat. We're going to add 1 cup of onion, salt to taste. I've got a teaspoon. Tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. That's a 50-50 mix of the 2 of those. 2 decent sized tomatoes. A 1/4 cup of oil. You can use any oil that you like just to sort of bring it together. I'm using a corn oil. And then here we've got some spices. Let's take a look. We've got 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, cumin and coriander, and 2 teaspoons of chili powder. That's going to go in. Going to give that a mix. So we give that a nice little mix together. Like I say, really quick way of doing this today. Fairly unorthodox, but we're going for it. It all goes in. There's no need to put any oil or anything in the pan. We've got some oil there already. Medium heat, 8 or 9 minutes. Stir every now and then. So you can see that the tomatoes are breaking down. I've got a nice bit of sauce there. We're now going to add water, 500 ml of water to this. We're going to put it on, not a simmer, but just above a simmer, nice and low, and we're going to let that go for 30 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. And you can see all that water has evaporated, off goes the heat. The meat's really nice and tender. Little bit of garam masala powder, just at the end, a pinch or 2 of that. If you want some cilantro or coriander in the mix, let me get that plated up. Delicious. Job done. No nonsense lamb curry. Really delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like. You'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.